Good day, everyone. You're welcome back to Dave FX. Today we'll be looking at Usdcad live analysis for 2021 first quarter. We'll be looking at this analysis, and before we look at this, I'd like us to look at the previous analysis we've done on Euro GBP, Euro UXD, and GBP UXD. Okay, so we'll just look at two of them so that we do not. Okay, look at that Euro GBP. Let's look at this two for now. Now, if you've not watched this live analysis for Euro GBP, what Euro GBP will do in 2021, what it's likely to do. If you've not watched that analysis, you're advised to search for it on our YouTube channel and watch this analysis. Right? It's gonna make you money as a position trader. It's gonna make you money as an intraday trader. So for intraday traders and position traders, swing traders, all personalities can utilize this particular currency pair. You don't want to miss this currency pair for 2021. Okay, so the last video we dropped on this will say that Euro GBP already gave us how many pips? Already gave us this pips. It was here, it was on this date, that's on the 31st. Okay, I will analyze this market. Okay, you will say it was going to come down to this zone, so you already gave us like 80 pips that day, and we said after that we're going to have it go up. We're going to have this go up, and you can see it's already on its way up. It's already 88 pips up. This means if you had followed this analysis for sell and for buy, you would have made accumulatively, you would have made way over 100, way over 160 pips. Alright, so this is what we'll do at DaveCon FX. And you want to follow up, subscribe to this channel, you'll be getting more high accuracy analysis on this channel. Alright, so if you don't have prior knowledge of Forex, you're welcome. We're here to tutor you from the beginning to the professional level side. So you want to visit our website and get all the information you need, right? And also subscribe to this YouTube channel. You will get informative analysis, and will help you also in your trading analysis, your personal trading analysis. So this is for Euro GBP, and for Euro UXD, we made mention that Euro USD was going to make this pullback. That it was going to make this pullback, which it actually did that. So this was on the 31st that we analyzed this market, and we said this was going to go for a buy, but at the same time it was here 31st that it was going to make a pullback. Now it's already made that pullback and it's on its way up. Alright, so now it's already made that pullback to this low. It's now on its way up. Of course, I think it's a good time to enter for Euro UXD. Remember, we said Euro USD, we're going to find Euro. It's already close to our entry, our take profit level. So we said, I know this is a support level. All right, I know that. Okay. Alright, if you want to take it here, I know that the current market price around that zone is a support level, resistant level, and retail traders really want to sell at this time. Of course, they've been selling from somewhere at the zone, and it's really been, something else for retail traders. If you watched the previous analysis, you will listen to me when I analyze this market from this somewhere at the zone. We started following this trade from somewhere at the zone. Right, somewhere here. Okay, so now again the market is making its way to the high. You know what, I get excited when it comes to analyzing forex market, because to me it's really sweet analyzing the forex market and having it go your direction, and having it make you money. It's really cool. Okay, so now remember I was saying that we're gonna have this take the zone as a take profit for Euro UXD, and today, like I said, we'll be looking at the live analysis for Usdcad for 2021 first quarter. 2021 first quarter Euro USD card. Now let's look at this. Let's look at this Usdcad. Where is Usdcad likely to go between now March or so? Earlier than that or later than that, depending on volatility. Remember guys, I don't control the volatility in the market, so I can only analyze markets with a high accuracy, and that's that. So we do not control how fast the market will move or how slow it will move. Right, we could have this consolidate around here for the whole month before it even makes it way down. We can have it spike above like that. So but we're going to look at the general direction of Usdcad for the first quarter, later than that or earlier than that. Alright, so this is Usdcad. This is my tradition is always started from 1 month time frame. Why do I do that every time? I want to get the total picture of the market, the big boy time frame. Alright, I want to get the larger view. I want to know where the money is, because if you can't spot where the money is, you will be doing a guesswork in the lower time frame. Right, so that's why I always go to the monthly time frame. All this education are available at the academy. Right, you will get to learn all this with Diffcon FX Academy. So of course, like I said earlier, hit the website, look at the trainings, look at the informations there, and see how that suits you. Alright, so Usdcad. Now what I think Usdcad is going to do in a larger picture is, I think it's going to still come down to this zone. Alright, now there are two things I'm seeing on this chart. That meaning it's going to see like 500 pips to go. Meaning if you're trading 1.0 lot size and you're taking up this trade, you're going to make like $5,000 and all that, depending on your account size. Guys, remember, risk management is what will keep you in this market for the next 10, 15, 20 years, and you're still actively in the business. Right, so that's why we are hinting on that. Now look at, I said I think this still has 500 pips to go down. Now let's look at the 1 week time frame and see if it's ready to go down from the current market price. Okay, for me, I think it's still going to make a pullback before it finally follows the general look of the market. I think it's still a 1 day time frame. I always come from that. That's the way I analyze the market. Okay, the 1 day time frame. The 1 day time frame is actually showing me that the market might not necessarily make a strong pullback. So that's what it's showing me here. So if it must make maybe around here, how do I get that? That's why I said if you don't have basic or prior knowledge of forex markets, you want to get that to follow up this analysis. Now I use this, as you can see, I use this, and my 61.8 Fibonacci fell on this line. How do I know it's going to fall there? Right, so I've used Fibonacci for a very long time, that I can actually use my eyes and determine the Fibo levels on a particular chart. Right, so 61.8 if it has to make a pullback, but on a general move is a sell. So why you know the direction of the market is that even if the market is making a pullback, it's, you really know the true direction of the market, and that's what matters. Like, you're not riding against the true direction, the true trend of the market. Remember what I said, the true trend, meaning the trend that is not true. So all that has been taught in the academy, and as we're analyzing the market, you will also be learning that here. Okay, so that's what I expect Usdcad to do. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Okay, is still showing me that, okay, it's showing me it might spike to this 1.28, which is this zone, this one here. It might 1.28529, it might go to that zone before it finally makes its way down. Right, so basically that's for 1 hour time frame. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame for into the traders, the same thing. So go have a spike to that 1.2 like before when I find it down. So this is for Usdcad, and what we're expecting it to do in this 2021 first quarter also. Remember I said the general look shows me that 1 month time frame, which is more authentic time frame, but it all depends on your personality. But no matter the personality you're trading with, as long as you're not a scalper, you're a intraday trader, from intraday trader to swing trader, of course to position traders, you need to look at the 1 month time frame. But scalpers may not have need for this. Alright, so remember I said I think it's going to make its way down here to this low, and it has like 500 pips to go down on that zone. So that's for this USD card. Alright, so we'll be dropping other currency pairs alongside this, so you want to subscribe to this, so when other analysis are coming, you can be able to look at them. And if you're a trader, it will help you to authenticate your bias on your own trading platform. And if you're just a beginner, it will help you to understand how the forex market works in general. So you want to hit the bell button, subscribe to this, and you'll be getting more and more videos about analysis about the forex industry itself. All right, thank you all for tuning up to this.